You think you live in a universe of matter and motion, 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time. But what if this is only the surface? What if the deeper reality is more vast, more conscious, and more alive than we can perceive? We move in a 3-dimensional space, length, width, and height. We live in time. The 4th dimension, a stream we call the present, flowing from past to future. But to understand the universe as it truly is, we must go beyond this. J.G. Bennett proposed a 6-dimensional model, 3 of space and 3 of time. The first temporal dimension is duration, the linear time we experience. The second is eternity, a dimension where all moments exist simultaneously. The third is hyparxis, the dimension of choice, intention, and potential. We believe the past is gone and the future hasn't arrived, but this is only because we move in linear duration, one slice at a time. In eternity, there is no past or future, there is only now. Every moment that has happened, could happen, or will happen, exists right now. In the dimension of hyparxis, choice is real. We do not merely drift through time, we navigate through timelines. Every choice you make filters one timeline from infinite possibilities, and all those alternate timelines exist concurrently in eternity. But what is this universe of dimensions made from? George Berkeley answered with radical simplicity. Reality exists only through conscious perception. To be, he said, is to be perceived. Without consciousness, there is no tree, no sound, no object. They do not exist unless they are observed. Reality is a tapestry of ideas held together by observation. But what of the unobserved? Berkeley explained. Even if no human sees a tree fall in the forest, it is still perceived by the infinite, ever-present consciousness we call God. God perceives everything, past, present, and future, because he exists beyond time. What emerges from both Berkeley and Bennett is stunning. The universe is not a dead machine, but a living, conscious process unfolding across 6 dimensions. We are not passive observers, but participants, nodes of awareness inside the mind of the universe. Time as information and navigation. In this model, time is not a river, it is a field of information. The past is not gone, it's accessible. The future is not unknowable, it's encoded in probabilities. You walk through space, but you also move through time paths. With every thought, intention, and act of awareness, you shift your coordinates in 6-dimensional space-time. You are a navigator of consciousness. Both space and time are infinite. All the paths you could ever take exist. All the versions of you, better, worse, wiser, unaware, are real in the eternal now, but only your conscious attention can choose the one you live. Time, it's a curious thing. We often think of it as a river, flowing from the past to the future. But what if time isn't linear at all? What if every moment exists simultaneously like pages in an open book? Each moment, each choice, already written, yet waiting for your awareness to bring it to life. There is no past, there is no future. There is only now, the infinite field in which all events coexist. To us, it feels like a story unfolding, but to a higher dimensional consciousness, it is already written, already real, already here. Modern physics supports this idea. In relativity, time is not a flowing river, but part of a static structure called the block universe. Every moment, birth, death, choices made and unmade, are like coordinates in a vast frozen landscape. We do not move through time, we are time. Quantum mechanics introduces a whole new perspective on time. Unlike the deterministic block universe, quantum mechanics suggests that the future is not set in stone. Instead, it exists as a range of possibilities, influenced by the act of observation. This interplay between possibility and observation adds a layer of complexity to our understanding of time. Quantum mechanics takes this even further. In the double-slit experiment, particles exist in multiple possibilities until observed. Reality, quite literally, does not solidify until it is measured by a mind. This isn't poetry. This is physics. Our consciousness selects reality from a soup of infinite probability. Physicist Carlo Rovelli offers another vision. Time is not a universal ticking clock, but a network of relationships. Different observers experience different sequences of events. Time is not fundamental, it emerges from interaction. Quantum physicist David Bohm saw the universe as a holographic process. Beneath the visible world lies the implicate order, a deep enfolded reality containing all potential forms. Everything is connected, everything is meaningful. What emerges across philosophy and physics is this: consciousness is not just in the universe, it may be the source of the universe. From Berkeley's idealism to Bohm's quantum mind, consciousness is not an accident, it is the fabric. Information and awareness are intertwined. Our reality as we perceive it is shaped by the information we receive and how we become aware of it. This delicate dance between data and consciousness defines our existence. Physicists like John Wheeler said it best, it from bit. Every particle, every field, every interaction emerges from information, but information is meaningless without a knower. The knower is you. In 6 dimensions, you are more than a body. You are a point of awareness moving through space and layered time. Every choice aligns you with a different branch of the total now. Every intention creates a shift in your cosmic position. The universe is not a cold void, it is a mind, vast, multidimensional, awake. In every particle, every moment, it is watching itself through us. We are the eyes of eternity, looking back at itself. You are not lost in time. You are not bound by fate. You are a thread in the tapestry of now. And your awareness is the thread that weaves meaning into existence. Look deeper. Every breath, every thought, every moment is alive with possibility. The 6-dimensional universe is not somewhere else. It is here, it is now, and it is waiting for you to awaken. Awaken, align, choose your timeline.